Look no further than the 2021 Nissan Altima. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.